Hey guys, welcome to Andro Nooby. Like, share and subscribe my channel for such tech related videos.
In this video we will going to see how we can install Ubuntu and dual booting it with Windows. Actually I am dual booting it Windows 8. The recommended requirements are 2 GHz processor, 2 GB of RAM, 20 GB hard disk space and a bootable Ubuntu USB stick or live CD. Click the link above to know more about it. Now let's start with the creating a space in hard disk for Ubuntu installation. To do so, open the disk management and it is opens like this. I have free space in the F drive, 20 gigs of free space in F drive. Right click on it and click on the shrink volume. Here you can see enter the amount of space to be shrinked. Now for the 20 gigs space you can enter here 20480. You can also use 20000. It will create a 20 gigs free space showing in the green space here. That's it. Recommended space requirement is 15 GB but I am using 20 gigabytes. It's your choice by the way. Let's move on to the next step. Now boot from the USB stick or live CD. Read description for more details. This screen will show after the booting. Here choose your language. I am using English. And before going to go here, connect to a Wi-Fi network available. It will download the necessary software and drivers to run basic Ubuntu platform and environment. Now here you can see it is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now just we are going to click on the install Ubuntu button. In the next window, choose the both options. The first is updates for installing Ubuntu and the second are the drivers and basic softwares to run Ubuntu. Now click on the continue button. It might take some time, so wait for it to complete it. Here in the new window you will see three options: install Ubuntu alongside Windows 8, erase disk and install Ubuntu for clean installing of Ubuntu. I am going to show you something else. Click on something else and click on continue. Now you can see all the available disk partitions in the hard disk where you want to install Ubuntu. You can see here 20972 MBs of free space we have created earlier. Now click on the add button and we are going to create swap area of 2 gigabytes. So enter the 2 gigabytes memory here. So for this we will enter 2048 MB and here 2048 and in the use as swap area select swap area and now click on OK. The swap area we are creating here is used by the programs for caching their memory. It may take some time to load. And here you can see a swap partition of 2046 MBs. Now from the left 18 GB of free space, select it and click on the plus button. In the mount point choose /, and in use as choose ext4 journaling file system. Now click on the OK button. Now just wait for it, it may take a little time. And here is the partition created. Now in the device for bootloader installation option, here you can see various options. We are going to install it in hard disk, so leave it as it is. Selected the hard disk. Now click on the install now button. Here you can see a little information about what you are doing, like formatting and installing or so on. Here click on the continue button and proceed further. Now it will ask you for your location. Choose your location. My location is India. It is showing right, but here you can also write India to like this, and I am choosing the India time on the top and select it and click on the continue button. Now select your language. I am choosing English US and click on the continue button. Now enter your name. My name is Andro Nooby. Here you can also change your computer's name. I am writing just this. Now give a username for your Ubuntu system OS in the small letters. You can also put a password here or just choose the login automatically and click on continue. I am entering a password, so let me insert it. Now just click on the continue button and wait for it to completed. It may take 15 to 20 minutes to be completed, so just wait and watch or enjoy your coffee. I am fast forwarding the video, so the Ubuntu installation is completed and it is asking me for restarting the PC. But before restarting, put out the USB stick and now click on the restart button. And now you can see it is booted successfully and you can see various options. The first is Ubuntu and the last one is Windows 8. Choose Ubuntu and click enter. And now it will boot into Ubuntu OS. The first time boot might take some time, so wait for it. And here it is successfully booted into Ubuntu and now it's asking for password to log in. Enter your password. Here it is showing some keyboard shortcuts for Ubuntu OS, very similar to Windows 8, and this is the menu. And okay, now let's go to the settings. Yes, and that's it guys, enjoy it. Press the thumb icon if you like the video, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss another video. And in the end, thanks for watching.